Hi guys! So for today's video, we're gonna perform the different views of motion by Galileo Galilei and Aristotle. But first, let me tell you what is motion. Motion in physics refers to a change in position of an object with respect to time. It can be described in terms of distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration in time. So now that we know what is motion, let us proceed to the next video. Let's go!
If she throw this book in paper down, which one will fall first? In the first demo, the book falls faster because although the gravitational pull on both paper and the book is the same, the paper's air resistance is much larger than the book. As the paper is much lighter, as the book is more mass, it has more force to push through the resistance. In the second demo, the paper is placed on top of the book. The air can't reach the bottom of the paper as the book shields it. This made both the paper and the book fall at the same time, as the paper's air resistance was almost negligible. Additionally, when the book is falling down, the air around the book is trying to fill up the space created by the book's fall, due to which the paper remains stuck to the book. In the third demo, both objects will fall at the same rate due to the principle of gravitational acceleration. Regardless of their mass or shape, all objects near the Earth's surface experience the same acceleration due to gravity. This means that both the crumpled paper and the book will fall towards the ground at the same rate, regardless of their differences in mass or shape. For question number 1, in all three cases, which object reaches the ground first? The object that reaches the ground first is the book. For question number 2, in activity 1, what causes the flat sheet of paper to move sideways? Paper moves left to right when it falls because of air resistance. When paper falls, it is unbalanced due to some combination of wind and the way the paper was dropped, and one side ends up lower than the other. For question number 3, in activities 2 and 3, why did the objects fall at the same rate regardless of their masses? It is because the acceleration of the object equals the gravitational acceleration. The mass, size, and shape of the object are not a factor in describing the motion of the object. So all objects, regardless of size or shape or weight, free fall with the same acceleration.
For us, we prefer the view of motion by Galileo, because his ideas were based on empirical evidence and scientific experimentation. He made a careful observation of experimentation, leading him to develop the laws of motion and the concept of inertia, which are still widely accepted today. According to Galileo, an object in a uniform motion will travel a distance that is proportional to the time it took to travel. Like his example, if two objects of a different weight are dropped from the high point, both will hit the ground at the same time.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Thank you and goodbye.